So look at these brackets here, and this chassis leg is upright, and this is about the only parts that are really damaged chassis wise or non-bolt onable parts. So this is kicking back around, and these are the bent brackets. So I haven't got the panels here yet, but let's I can at least start getting them back into sort of where they go. I can measure from this point to there to know what distance that has come back. So I'm not even going to take this panel off, I don't think. I'm just going to start pushing it, push this back forward, see what measurements we've got, and start lining the wing up. The only thing, this is literally your headlight bracket. So, well, front panel is going to hold your bonnet down, but it's not really structural. So, but it has got to really be in line. Don't know if it's adjustable, but we'll get that as close as we can and see how it all lines up. Well, I'm shocked. Got out of the old port power. It's fairly new. As you know, I'm not a bodywork man, but literally just push this corner, which is straightened out. It looks reasonably straight compared to the other one. Up and down. I haven't measured this yet. I'll do it in front of you. But this was touching here. I'm expecting it to sort of kick round and push more back into there, and then have to push the top out. But one push under here, it seems to have done a reasonable amount. So let's measure from that thing to the top of there. So we are looking, what are we looking? 13, just under 13 up. Well, we'll say 13 and a half centimetres. Let's see what we got on this side. If anything, it's gone a bit too far. So it's 13. I'm in the right spot. It's pretty close. So, yeah, as you can see, on this bar, straight up and down and into this part, our part here hasn't moved. So it looks fairly straight. Another one, for a bit of lighting, that looks fairly straight as well. We ain't down bad. So, it's literally that front panel. In fact, I'm going to line everything up. I'm not going to change the front panel yet. I'm going to get the bumper on, bonnet on, wings on. This is literally a plastic coated iron, plastic coated front bumper. So, I don't think we need to change it yet. So we'll need changing because it holds that part on. And we haven't got that on there. Yeah, okay. So our bit's there. But let's get panelled up first. Then we'll strip all that off. No point in disturbing everything. Everything's sort of in line. So we'll be able to see what's moved, what ain't. So I can straighten up these bars. Get them looking like that. Because we've got reference. Comes up, folds across. You know, about there. So we can get this one up, folded, about there. Job's a carrot. See what happens. Right, so this ain't really your fine fettling type action. See people with little panel beating hammers and dollies and stuff. Yeah, we ain't got that, and it's pretty solid. So we're gonna have to give it a proper old clump. So got a club hammer, got a big hammer. We're going to get a pair of grips to try and straighten some bits out. The main thing is there's no strength in these. These literally hold the tops of the wings on. Wing holds there, wing holds on the front, it holds down here. These just keep it in place. So don't think we're going to put anything out of alignment, because, you know, or danger and get rid of strength, it don't really do a lot. So let's get this sort of straightened out until we can get it a bit better than what it was. Under, so I've got to get that out first. That could be holding it. Give that a bit of a knock. So the other side comes along and up. This has got to go. Let's get that out of the way. The bonnet hinge is damaged, we're going to replace that, but the other side should be in line. The other side didn't get touched, so again, same as moving the front panel, try and keep everything right or original instead of moving everything. I don't know what we've got meant to move, get the majority of it in place, and then we might sort of have half a chance of getting it all lined back up again. Let's rip this wing off, hasn't damaged the windscreen, so who knows. So you bend it a bit too far and then get it back in shape, you can always knock it back down. So it looks like check the other side. I think this is definitely meant to be upright. I know that that's meant to come up, but I think that bit's flat. No, nowhere near. So this sort of angle here is what the back's meant to be doing as well. So we need to get that back bit up before we start worrying about the top. So it needs more of a twist. So as I'm pushing here, it is twisting itself back round. So, sure what that's done, but definitely. Does that look on the other one? It won't fall off. Made a boo-boo. Straighten it out again. Well, it's done something. Back up, bent across. So until we get a wing here, we're going to know how far we are out. But really, you know, it's going to be up 10 mil, in and out 10 mil. It ain't going to be major. So let's get this one bolted on, all straightened up and back to its right angle. But like I say, we've got a good fixing there, fixing at the bottom, fixing down here somewhere. Well, that's gone. Then we'll be able to work out where we need to adjust them to. Yeah, should be alright. So it says this one should be about in line with that one. So it's all going to need straightening out. Let's get a bit of a top bit's going to be bent over. See the original bend. So it's meant to be straight up, in, straight up, across. So we're not quite straight up there. Always find if you're when you're trying to bend against something, having something to lever on, lever against, stops everything, takes all the flex out of it. So you get quite a few points of reference on here. So at the moment, we've got that hole. I think it should bend across it because it was bent there. So we're going to look at the other side. What have we got? Yeah, so comes up there, hole, and above it is actually meant to bend right on them divots. So what can we see? So yeah, so if we straighten that out, the bend should be more up here. So we should keep this bit flat right to there. See if that works. Gentle persuader. Not too bad. So, what do we reckon? Upright, in, upright, across. The height, I mean really, there's so much flex on that, which both sides have. But again, upright, across, upright, across. Again, that's just got as much flex on it as the other side. So, across there, not too bad. Across there, not too shabby. Okay, well, let's bring the wings home in that tomorrow. We'll get them on there, see how they line up. So, we'll leave it there for today. Bad practice putting tools across the newer battery, but here's what it is.